Hello, I am Ganiyah. I am a Nigerian based in the US. A mother of two. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. On this channel, I create and share recipes that makes life simple and makes you look forward to cooking. I am passionate about home cooking as it is healthier and more economical. We don't like to save money. I hope you will enjoy cooking after watching me do too. However, I make most of my foods without the use of bouillon cubes. Most of them are known to have MSG, monosodium glutamate. So, I achieve most of my cooking using natural seasoning, herbs and spices. On this channel, expect videos on spices, pastries, Nigerian soups, Nigerian fruits generally, healthy desserts, cookies, fruit drinks, smoothies, some DIY. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bells so you don't miss my videos as they will be dropping every Friday. If you want me to make any video with particular food, kindly drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for listening. Do have a blessed day. Bye.